Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing explanation about the painters. Today we will talk about Oleg Lomkin. Oleg Lomkin is a contemporary Russian painter known for his distinctive approach to fine arts that blend traditional Russian aesthetic with modern techniques and themes. Born in Moscow in 1964, Lomkin grew up in an era marked by significant political and social changes which have influenced his artistic journey and the themes explored in his work. Lomkin displayed an aptitude for art from a young age. His parents, recognizing his talent, enrolled him in art classes where he developed his skill in drawing and paintings. Lomkin's early exposure to the work of Russian masters like Ilya Repin and Levin played a pivotal role in shaping his artistic sensibilities. In 1981, Lomkin was admitted to the Moscow School of Art, where he honed his technical skill and deepened his understanding of art history. His education there was rigorous, with a curriculum that employs classical techniques, anatomy, and the use of light and shadow. His foundational training is evident in Lomkin's meticulous attention to detail and his ability to convey complex emotion through his art. After graduating in 1986, Lomkins continued his studies at the prestigious Surikov Art Institute in Moscow, where he was mentored by some of the leading artists of the time. During this period, he began to develop his unique style, which blended realism and elements of Impressionism and abstraction. Lomkin's use of color, texture, and forms creators a dynamic visual experience, inviting viewers to engaging deeply with his work. Lomkin's early work were primarily focused on landscapes and still lifes, capturing the beauty of the Russian countryside and the quiet elegance of everyday objects. However, as his career progressed, he began to explore more complex themes, including the human condition and the passage of time. His ability to capture the subtleties of light and shadows, combined with his expressive brushworks, has earned him recognition as the master of contemporary Russian painting. Throughout his career, Lomkin has created a diverse body of work that includes painting, drawing, and mixed media pieces. Some of his most notable work include Winter in the Village, a serene depiction of snow covered rural landscape and reflection, a poignant exploration of memory and identity. Lomkin's work was being exhibited in numerous galleries and museums across Russia and internationally. He has participated in solo and group exhibition in cities such as Moscow, St. Petersburg, Paris, and New York. His paintings are held in private collection and have been featured in art fair and biennales, further establishing his reputation in the global art community. Oleg Lomkin's contribution to contemporary art extend beyond his own creative output. He is also a dedicated teacher and mentor, sharing his knowledge and passion with a new generation of artists. Lomkin has taught at various art institutions and has conducted workshops and master less